Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another part showcase. Today we're going to talk about the Fantastic Vent. What's a Fantastic Vent for? Well, a lot of RVs, in the bathroom especially, come with a little fan, or I'm sorry, a little vent that you can open up. Sometimes they have a little tiny fan on them, right? They don't really move much air. Cool thing about a Fantastic fan, as you can see, is the blade of the fan is the entire width of that vent. And they're very fast. They move a ton of air. You can exhaust air out, or you can bring air into your RV. It helps you also not run your air conditioner later into the spring and later into the fall, because when it's not really cold, or sorry, really hot out, you can use these to get the air moving. If you have a couple of them, you get a little bit of a current going through your RV. They're also great for preventative measures. You can leave a vent cracked and you can have the Fantastic Vent running and keep air moving in your RV. It keeps chemicals from building up. It also, though, keeps heat from building up, which can do a lot of damage. So this is very cheap insurance. If you have already bought an RV, you can buy a Fantastic Vent. They're very easy to install. If you're currently buying an RV, make sure you work this into your deal. But we'd love to sell you one or even install it for you. Just give us a call at 877-877-4494. Make sure that you follow us on YouTube. We'd love for you to subscribe to our YouTube page and see more videos like this. And if you have any other questions about the Fantastic Fan, you can also check it out on our website, rvwholesalers.com.